Hello students, welcome to our English class. Here let us start our next lesson. Lesson number 4.4, A Mad Tea Party. The name of our lesson number 4.4 is A Mad Tea Party. In this lesson student, A Beautiful Girl, Alice is a Wonderland is a fantasy novel written by Lewis Carroll. It tells us the adventures of little girl called Alice who falls into a rabbit hole and finds herself in a fantasy world where funny people mingle with peculiar creatures. Here she happens to attend a tea party with three of them, March Hare, the Mad Hatter and Dormouse. Here student, our lesson name is A Mad Tea Party. Here some beautiful characters. A little girl, Alice, is a wonderful beautiful girl. Alice in a Wonderland in a fantasy novel written by Lewis Carroll. Fantasy means imaginative. It tells us adventurous of little girl. It tells us adventurous of little girl called Alice who falls into a rabbit hole and finds herself in a fantasy world. Fantasy means imaginative. Where funny people mingle with peculiar creature. Peculiar means strange. Funny people mingle with peculiar creature. Mingle means mix. Here she happens to attend tea party with three of them. One is March Hare, then Mad Hatter and Dormouse. Now let us start our lesson. There was a table set under a tree in front of the house and March Hare and a Hatter were having tea at it. A Dormouse was sitting between them. Here student, with at least three other person also, March Hare, Mad Hatter and Dormouse. In the corner of table, Dormouse was sitting between them, fast asleep. And the other two were using it as cushion, resting their elbow on it and taking over its head. Very uncomfortable for Dormouse. Thought Alice, only at its sleep. I suppose it doesn't mind. I suppose it doesn't mind. Here student, there was a table set out under a tree in front of house. In front of the house, arrange a table. There March Hare and a Hatter having tea. A Dormouse was sitting between them. Dormouse was sitting between them, fast asleep. And the other two were using it as cushion, resting their elbows on it and taking over its head. Very uncomfortable for the Dormouse, thought Alice. Only as it's asleep, I suppose it doesn't mind. The table was large one, but the three were all crowded together at one corner. Table was very big, but a corner they crowded. No room, no room, they cried out then Alice coming. When Alice is coming there, they all crowded together, no room, no room. They cried out then when Alice saw Alice coming. There is plenty of room. Plenty means lot of. Alice indigently and she sat down in a large armchair at one end of the table. Indigently means angrily, very angrily. There is a plenty of room, said Alice indigently, angrily. She sat down in a large armchair at one end of the table. Have some wine, the March Hare said in the encouraging tone. March Hare said in encouraging tone. Have some wine. Alice looked all around the table, but there was nothing on it but tea. I don't see any wine, she remarked. She looked everywhere, not any wine there. So I don't see any wine, she remarked. There isn't any, said the March Hare. There isn't any. Then it wasn't very civil of you to offer it, said Alice angrily. Civil means politely, shortly. Then it wasn't very civil of you to offer it. Civil means politely offer. It wasn't very civil of you to sit without being invited, said the March Hare. Then after Alice's comment, March Hare then loudly speak the, it wasn't very civil to you to sit down without being invited. Why are you coming here in this way? I didn't know was your table, said Alice. Alice remarked that point. I didn't know it was your table. It's late for a great many more than three. Your hair wants cutting, said the Hatter. Then the Hatter told that your hair wants cutting. He had been looking at Alice for some time and great curiosity, and this was his first speech. You should learn not to make personal remarks, Alice said with some severity. It's very rude. Rude means cruel words. The hatter opened his eyes very wide on hearing this, but all he said was, why was Raven like writing desk? Raven means a large bird like a crow. Why is Raven like a writing desk? Come, we shall have some fun now, thought Alice. I am glad they have begun asking riddles. I believe I can guess that, she added aloud. Do you think that you can find out the answer to it? Said the March Hare. Exactly so, said Alice. Alice replied, exactly so, yes. Then you should say, what you mean? The March Hare went on. I do. Alice hesitantly replied. Hastily means hurriedly, fastly replied. I do. At least, minimum. I mean, why I say what I say? That's just something you know, not the same thing a bit, said the hatter. You might just as well say that I see what I eat is the same thing. I eat and I see. You might just as well say, added the March Hare, and I like what I get is the same thing I will get like.